We strive on having better quality of product, and our number one goal is when we ship the product out of here, it's 100% of what the customer's asking for. Right now we're in a high demand, so if we can put 100,000 tons of material on the ground this month, it'll sell. I mean, it's just needed that much. If nobody else has it, we do. People have the confidence they can come in here and just say, hey, I need this, and we have it for them. We try to be the strongest and the best producer, but we got to have good equipment, and I think KPI, JCI, and Aztec Mobile Screen is the best equipment there is out there on the market right now. I'm Carlos Vega. I work for LS Sand and Gravel. I'm the plant manager. It's a fairly good-sized company. I'd consider us the biggest in the Texas Panhandle as far as producer for aggregate. On site, we have 2 log washers, 5 screens, 6 desanders, and they're all KPI, JCI, and Aztec Mobile Screen equipment. The GT205 desanders is what we use. What I like about the GT205 is being able to screen over more material, and of course, the more I can put on the ground in less hours is better. What I love about the 205 is being able to work with the factory. They work with me to try to tweak the machine to get the tons that I need. We might change hydraulic motors, hydraulic pump, hoses. We might need our harpers to go smaller, bigger. You know, it just depends on what kind of material we get into. Heat is probably our biggest factor, and us being so dry, we told Aztec Mobile Screen that we needed to put a breather 20 foot up in the air. They went out of their way to design their machines where we could put a breather 20 feet in the air so the machine is breathing clean, fresh air all day long. My operators really love them. You know, they can move the entire plant within maybe 5 minutes, and that's every day. There's no shoveling. As far as doing labor work, there's hardly any. You know, every 2 weeks we might change the screen. We might have to do normal wear and tear like wipers, oil changes, stuff like that, normal stuff. But as far as having to work on them, it's very minimal. Parts availability for me is one of the biggest for downtime. If I don't have parts to fix my plants with, and I've got to sit here and wait 2-3 days, that's where Texas Bearing comes in. They have almost everything on their counter, just a phone call away. They're willing to do everything and anything to get it to us in a timely manner. Texas Bearing Company, it's almost a family relationship. Any day of the week, and they're here 100%. They sell a good product, and that's what makes them such a good company to buy from. You know, here at LS, what I love about KPI, JCI, and Aztec Mobile Screen, I'll buy a 205. The factory says you can only do 500. And I'm like, no, that ain't gonna work. I need 800. And they work with me to tweak my machine to put 800 tons on the ground. That's the biggest plus as far as buying GT205.